Alright guys, it's been a little while since I last seen you, but we'll go over some moves. The poll was, will Chris use his final move before the season starts, and that was yes. I added Tyrod Taylor after me and Chris's trade. Chris picked up Brandon Coleman and dropped Roddy White. Andrew picked up Roddy White. Chris dropped Matt Asiata. Kyle picked up Stevie Johnson, and Tompkins made a post about T-West. On to the games from this week. Mayo was trying to break tradition and beat me in week 1. He started off very well with Gronk's monster game, but Deshaun Jackson pulled his hamstring on like the first pass play to him. It got 0. It was still a pretty close game. I won by 11, and I believe that was closer last night. I guess some points got taken away somewhere for him, but it's a close game. Tannehill did shit for me. Marcus Mariota, the pick everyone judged me for, 32 points. I'll take that. Andre Ellington got hurt. T.Y. Hilton got hurt. Travis Kelce looked pretty good though. Sam Bradford's getting checked out for something. Des Bryant and Deshaun are going to be out. Sam Bradford stings a sprained ankle apparently. Danny Woodhead with 22 points on the bench. Sproles with 19. I mean, that would have helped you a little bit. I don't know. I would see starting Sproles, not Woodhead, but no real other obvious plays, but both suffered some injuries this week, so it'll be interesting how it goes on to the next one. Next game, high score of the week, Mike Homan with 216, only one to get into the 200s, and he beat the guy with the low score of the week, Champ, defending champion. Aaron Rodgers, Andrew Luck having decent games. Carlos Hyde had a monster game, which put Mike into the 200 zone. Melvin Gordon did not have a good game. Amir Abdul looked pretty fucking good. Jordan Matthews had a decent game, 21 points. Tyler Eifert had a huge game, 32. Peyton Manning, big trade for a champ this offseason, getting 5 points, so that's working out clearly. Calvin Johnson getting 5 points. Julio got a monster 36. Other than that, Champ's team really did not look good. On his bench, Alex Smith had 28, and really not much else out there. So Champ's team not coming in too hot. Mike gets the win, goes to 1-0. What do we got next? We got Jay Relay and Andrew. Relay getting the 6-point victory here. Tom Brady had a big game, 35. Sammy Watkins got a straight up 0, and you still won, so it's disgusting. Everyone else played pretty well. Over here on Andrew's, AP not playing well. Marquise Colston, ew. Jason Witten had a good 26. Panthers defense actually got you positive points with 22, but just couldn't keep up with Jay. 6 points shy. On Jay's bench, Austin Safarian Jenkins had 29. Kendall Wright had 21. That would have helped definitely for Jay to get into the 200s, but other than that, Jay still gets the win. And then into the final game, Chris and Kyle. Kyle getting off to the hot start this year, getting his first victory out of the way. But can he get 2? That's the real question. Can you get 2 wins this year, Kyle? Eli Manning and Doug Martin were gross. Allen Robinson was real gross, 3 points. Chris' team, his kicker got -1, so that's good. Keenan Allen had 32 points. Aguilar was a fucking huge bust. He got 1 point. Drake Bell sucks. He got 5. Cam Newton and Matt Stafford, you know, mid-teens is really not helping out at quarterback. But I mean, Chris' team doesn't look too bad, but -1 points is not helping. Anyone on the bench? Carson Palmer with 32 for Kyle. Stevie Johnson with 20 for Kyle. Andy Dalton with 22 for Chris. That's about it. Going into the next week, I'm not going to do a review now. I'm just going to take a quick look. 1-0, me and Mike Holman going at it. 0-1, Brian Scott and 0-1 Tompkins going at it. So someone's going to get their first loss and someone's going to get their first win. And that goes for the next set of games too. 1-0 Kyle and 1-0 Jay. 0-1 Bartlett, 0-1 Chris. So we'll see who can continue winning and who continues losing in this. And standings, just because Holman out front in the East, followed by me, and then in the West you have Jay, followed by Kyle. So let's see how everyone's predictions turn out. Until I'll probably do another video Friday for the preview of games. I like to let the Thursday game play first, which is Chiefs and the Broncos. So champ, make sure you play Peyton Manning because he's going to be good this week.